Is this just about the strengthening economy? I mean, the jobs numbers are getting better. We know that San Francisco is a hotbed of hiring. You can't hire software developers fast enough.
Yeah, certainly a lot of factors coming together, and the economy or the perception of a strong economy. I mean, corporate profits, of course, are down. The employment numbers, we debate about those on a regular basis and what good fun that is. But boy, do you see the effect in real estate, especially here in the San Francisco Bay Area, where you have so much wealth created from recent IPOs, the Twitter and the Facebooks and things over the last few years, have really found themselves going straight into the housing market. That 25% year-over-year gain in housing prices is jaw-dropping to read about, let alone to experience here in the Bay Area and in the heart of technology. But I think one of the most interesting things that Redfin has found in their work is the pace at which homes are selling. Redfin has been studying this stuff for the last few years about how fast from the time it goes onto the market until it sells. And of course, there's great seasonality. If you sell a home in January, you're going to wait 50 days or so to sell it. But typically, the fastest month of the year is June. And yet in May, Redfin found that its homes are selling on average in 28 days, which is the fastest they've seen in 3 years, and indeed faster than any other May. So what they're seeing is that the pace of sales, not just the price, is happening at a breakneck speed, and that's leading to a lot of action in the housing market.
Cory, is there any idea how many of these sales are for all cash?
We know that more and more of them, particularly in these hot markets, are for the most attractive offers. So pre-approved is almost a necessity. All cash certainly helps. Buyers are being asked to do things like write letters and show pictures of the family and make videos and present themselves to the sellers. It's not enough just to have enough money to buy the house or a mortgage and be approved to do so. I think one of the other things that we really see here is that this is really driven by the proliferation of information into the market, and that homeowners are in a hurry to get the new house and buy them quickly at whatever price.
Cory, it's tempting to credit technology for a lot of this, but how much of this is just simple supply and demand? There's not enough supply of good housing in San Francisco.
You know, actually, nationwide, what you see is different. So in some places like San Francisco, you actually see more supply coming on. Other places like South Florida, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, you see rising prices and falling supply. So it really is a city-by-city change there. But I think technology is doing one thing. It's changing the rules of price discovery. It means that people who haven't had a sale in their neighborhood are able to see quick changes and imagine what their values might be, and that's leading to a more active market.
I want to thank you very much, Bloomberg's editor-at-large Cory Johnson, joining us from San Francisco.